Hello everyone. Now, this is one Western Digital SMR uh, hard drive, and its PCB number is 810011. And the user has formatted this pension drive, and the data arrow is not accessible. The most important, all sectors becomes 0. Now, if we go to the DFL-DDP data recovery software, and we can click the repair module 190, and we can check this patient module 190. The user has backed up this module 190, and we can check the valid data of this patient 810011 hard drive. The total is 4 TB, but the valid data is only 0.2 GB. So this one is wrong. That means the module 190 is corrupted. So how to fix this kind of failure and repair this module 190 and get lost data back? So users cannot get this lost data back if users don't have the DFL-DDP data recovery software. Now we are using the DFL-DDP, the module 190 repair assistant. Now we can try to scan for the missing nodes and wait a little bit. Okay, and then we can use the automatic module 190 repair, and we need to wait a little bit because the repair process is automatic, and after the auto repair we can check the valid data amount. Please don't close the window until the auto repair is complete. So we just need to wait, and we can check. This is a log window, and the software is sorting all the loads by LBA. After this one, we can check the new loads list here in the node window. And from the load log window, we can see the actual scanned node count is about 107,711 nodes. So that means the missing nodes has taken a big part of the whole data array. So this one is very effective for the automatic repair. Now we can see these are all the loads, because there are some overlapped nodes and some run nodes and some duplicated nodes. So at this time, so it's auto repair now. So keep waiting. Okay, now this is the repaired T2 data, and T2 data is the most important part of the module 190. So the software has generated this repaired T2 data, and users can save this file to his desktop, and after that users can load the T2 data here, load T2, or users can go to the disk image settings to load the T2 data automatically, and then users can easily access the data array after the T2 repair. We can see this is the repaired T2 data, and we can see the valid data is 3.5 TB. But before the repair, it's only 0.2 GB. So it's a big difference. Thank you for watching the video.